Hey, good morning, Grammar 4. Hope you guys are doing well. So this morning we are going to be working on reducing fractions, which is not something new for you guys, so I know you guys are going to rock at this. So let's just go ahead and do a quick review on what reducing fractions mean. And when you reduce a fraction, you are finding an equivalent fraction which represents the same quantity written with smaller numbers. So if you look at this diagram right here, you'll see that in the first diagram you have 6 pieces. When you have 4 of those 6 pieces filled in, you have the same area filled in as 2/3. And that's because both the numerator and the denominator can be divided by the same number. 4 can be divided by 2, and 6 can be divided by 2, which results in 2/3. So it is true, you guys know this, not all fractions can be reduced. And just like I said, a fraction needs to have a numerator and a denominator that can be divided by the same number in order to be reduced. So let's go ahead and look at a couple examples. Here, and just to review, a number, anytime you have a number divided by itself, it's the same thing as dividing by 1, because any number divided by itself is 1. And when you divide by 1, your quantity doesn't change. So 4/6 divided by 2/2 is 2/3. Let's go ahead and look at the next example. It says, example, write the reduced form of each fraction. When you have 6/8, both 6 and 8 are divisible by 2. So when you divide 6 and 8, you get 3/4. 3/4, 3 and 4 are not divisible by any other number. So, well, that is the same. So we're going to save it as 3/4. If you have 3/6, both 3 and 6 can be divisible by 3. So 3/3, and you get 1/2. Again, 3/3 is equivalent to 1. And then finally, you have 6/7. Well, 6 and 7 do not have any common factors, and so we are going to keep it as 6 and 7. So even if I were to reduce it or divide by 1/1, I still get 6/7. All right. Moving on. Oh, that's it. Okay. So guys, go ahead and do the lesson practice. Make sure that you reduce each fraction, get it checked by a parent, and then hop over onto your practice, your mixed practice. Okay? Okay. Good work, guys.